My course is called Apps Without Coding and starts with the introduction, in which we create an account and give a small overview. And after that we will go directly into the first app builder, and I will explain you what the structure of the app builder is. I will help you find images for your app, create the app content, create an icon for the app, and finally download the app. So after this part you will have made your first app and know how to make some quiz apps. And then we go on to the next step. We will look at the earn money part, and it includes an explanation of the ad network, AdMob, and we will do a registration there and add finally ads to our app so we can make money with them. After that there is the Google Play Store part, in which I will tell you how you can register as a developer and create an entry in the Google Play Store. Then I will help you set the description and get the IRC certificate, which you need for publishing your apps in the Google Play Store. And finally we will do a release, so our app will be open to the public in the Google Play Store. And after that there comes the part with the App Builder 2, in which I will explain you again the registration and the structure of it, and then we create an app design and do the functionality behind it. For example, we will do a translator, and we will do an app which can read texts which the user writes into the app, reads out this text, and finally we save the app, and then we have success. So our aim with this course is that we do 3 own apps, and we get knowledge for creating the apps, knowledge for publishing them, and knowledge for earning money with them. So every step is included, and finally you get knowledge about important tips, for example, how you can get more downloads in the Google Play Store. And the most important thing about all these steps is that you don't need any coding. So everything will be for beginners, and it is not hard. It's very easy. You don't need any code. You don't need to program. You do need nothing, and everyone can do this. Summary: this course has great potential for you, and you get tips from an expert. You don't need any foreign knowledge, and if this can't make you buying the course, then think of the money back warranty. You can't do something wrong with this course. It is a great opportunity for you to make your own apps, and I hope to see you on the side behind it, on the side of the members of this course.